esconde la panza, que parece que tienes 300 libras. Say it.
You have tomato. You still have tomato. Not semilla. No, firmando el logo, no tomato.
What are you doing? Oh my god, you're so annoying. I'm putting that shit on YouTube. I am.
Millones de views. I've been seeing a lot of people here.
With surfboards and nobody's surfing?
No, I haven't seen nobody surfing.
True story.
Can we follow this guy to see?
It's a girl.
Look, this girl.
It kills me.
Maybe they have a secret beach.
Maybe it's just because they're like that.
Maybe she's going to check.
Okay, I want to go down to the South Shore because the hurricane, that's why we can't get in the water here. So let's go.
So good.
Why? Who?
Decoration.
That was... That was a late reaction. Our first cave. Driving on this dirt road to a hidden beach, like in between this mountain range, to see the sunset. It's supposed to be the best area to watch the sunset, or at least like one of the best, according to Google. You know, I don't know. Guys, we made it. Now we're walking. Oh, I see the water. keep saying this, but like the shots that we have taken, even the videos, they just don't do this place justice. Like, I don't know if it's that I just love islands or that I love water, well, ocean. I mean, I love the water too, but I mean like seawater and stuff like that, or what, but this is just, it's been a magical day. Like, today has been amazing, and tomorrow we're gonna be up at 5 a.m. Don't look at me like that. We are. Don't you want to go hiking and use the drone?